Hi boys and girls, today is our spelling test. So you should have your spelling test paper. Go ahead and write your first and last name. Remember, we're grading your handwriting, including grading your handwriting of your name. So go ahead and pause the video until you've written your first and last name, and then we'll get started. Okay, number 1, red. I like the color red. R-E-D, red. Pause the video until you've written the word red. Bed. I forgot to make my bed. Bed. B-E-D. Bed is number 2. At any time, pause the video until you have written the word and you're caught up. Number 3, leg. I fell and hurt my leg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Number 4, pet. We have a pet bunny rabbit in the classroom. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Number 5, set. Please set the table. Set. S-E-T. Set. Boys and girls, I want you to pause the video and look over the words you've written so far. Make sure they're all resting on the baseline. Nothing is touching the top line. The only letter that should be in the basement is the letter G. All right. Look at the words red and bed and make sure your letters are facing the right way. Pause the video until you've made all your corrections in your handwriting, and then we'll be ready to start with number 6. Number 6, wet. The rain got me wet. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Number 7, wets. She still wets the bed. Wets. W-E-T. Wets. Number 8, ox. The ox has big horns. Ox. A-X. Okay, both of these letters should be midline to baseline. Number 9, when the volume is turned to max, it hurts my ears. Max. M-A-X. Max. Again, pause if you need to finish your word. Number 10, 6. A lot of you are 6 years old. 6. S-I-X. All right, I want you to go back and look over this side of your paper and see if there's any handwriting things you need to correct. None of these letters should be in the basement. Most of them are midline to baseline. There's a couple tall letters with small crosses. Pause the video until you've corrected any of your handwriting. When you're done, turn it over for number 12. All right, for number 12 and for number 13, you need your red pencil. If you don't have a red pencil, that's okay. You can just use your normal pencil and pretend it's red to do your red markings. Okay, number 12, C. I see you. Ready? C. S-E. Think about why these two fingers are together. Write the word C. All right, with your red pencil or your normal pencil, underline your 2-letter phonogram in C. Number 13, knee. I fell and hit my knee. Knee. N-E. We have 2 different 2-letter phonograms. for the word knee. All right, once you've written the word knee, underline this phonogram, then leave a tiny little space between your red line and underline this phonogram. It should not be one big red line or gray line if you're using your normal pencil. All right, check over these last couple words, see if there's any handwriting corrections, and then we'll get started on our dictation sentence. Pause the video until you've caught up to this point. All right, dictation test. Let's look at our writing pencil. First, we think of our sentence. So we'll think of our sentence and we'll repeat. I've got the sentence for you today, so we'll repeat it a couple times. All right, then remember, you start a sentence with an uppercase letter. You sound out your words. You leave a finger space between your words, and you stop with punctuation. All right, after you've written your sentence, you need to tracking finger, read over it 2 times, and then I'll hold this pencil back up so that you can check yourself again and make sure you didn't forget any of your writing rules. All right, repeat this sentence after me. We're gonna say it 3 times. Ready? His right knee is red. Say that. Again, his right knee is red. Last time. His right knee is red. Okay, pause the video until you've written your sentence. Okay, hopefully you've written your sentence. Go back with a tracking finger and read it 2 times to make sure it makes sense. Check your writing pencil here to see if you follow the rules, and then you're all done. This is something you'll turn into me when you get back, and we're seeing each other again in person. All right, see you soon, boys and girls.